How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you're watching these videos and enjoying them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, what we're going to be doing today is showing you how to change this fitting. Now, there was a stock fitting on this, and unfortunately I did this before I deleted the video. So we're going to do it with this one here. This is the brass inlet valve that's on here now for the fuel on the CV carburetor. And what you want to do, if you look at this, you look at the angle. You got to make sure when you put the new one in, it's on the correct angle. So what I always do is I usually make a mark on the throttle body. You don't have to. You can take a picture of it or just do it from memory. So we're going to get right to it. Now there's all different types of ways to do this. I understand there's a tool that's made for doing this now, for getting these out. I've seen guys drill them out. I've seen them take them out with vice grips. This is the easiest way I found. You take it and you put it in your vise and make sure you have the fitting and not the body of the carburetor. And you just get it tightened down there real good, like that. And then you start to rotate it and pull on it. I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter. This one's been on here for 23 years, so I got my money's worth out of this one. You just rotate it back and forth. Takes a little while to get them out sometimes, especially with this one because it's been in there so long. But this is the easiest way I found. Here it comes. This is what works for me. You know, like a lot of guys like to do different. This is what works for me. There we go. That's how you get the plastic piece off. And now you can see you have the brass piece right there. You're going to do the same thing with the brass piece. So you get this out of the vise and just chuck it away. And you do the same thing with the brass piece. And again, be very careful when you do this, not to get the body of the carburetor. Because you get the body of the carburetor, you're going to be getting a new carburetor. And the same thing. You just start to twist it. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it starting to walk out. There we go. That's it. So that's the easiest way I found to take these out. And this you take and you chuck away. Okay, now to install this, the new fitting, you have to get your soft sides or your brass sides on your vise, because you don't want to damage anything, and you want to catch this corner right here on this side, and you're going to put this in here, angled in the direction you want it to be in, which is like that. Oop, had it in the wrong way. That wouldn't have been good. And you put it in the vise, like so. And you definitely want to use soft sides. You do not want to do this with the steel jaws on the vise. You will screw it up. And you just got to line it up, make sure it's on the angle you want, and make sure it's straight. Okay, that looks like the right angle. And then very slowly, you start to push it in. Okay, we know we're nice and straight now. And it's walking in nice now. It's almost in there. Just keep backing it off. Yeah, this is a tedious, this is something you don't want to rush. And there it is. Okay, that takes care of that. So now this is ready to go on. You can see it's pointed right where I made that little mark, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to it. You just need to remember, if when you're installing that brass fitting, take your time. Now, we didn't show the entire installation. We went in stages because it takes a little while to press that into the body. But it gives you the general idea. So that's going to do it for today. So until next time, thanks for watching, and everybody be safe out there.